Now I want to check the upload document ability and see if it actually works, because sometimes these AI software builders will build something for you, but it's broken. And so you need to verify all of this. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let me just upload a file here and see if we have the ability to upload it and then the ability to sign it or send a link to someone else to complete the signing. So let me do that now. I'm going to choose a file. Okay, so I've attached a file. I'm going to click upload document, and the document has been uploaded and it shows up right here in the files, and I can click on draft and I can make sure that I can actually view it, right? So let me do that. And now we can see where something is broken, right? So if we click on view, it doesn't pop up. If we click on edit, it doesn't pop up, and same for send for signature. So I'm just going to tell it, look, these buttons aren't working. How do we fix this? So I told it when I click view, edit, or send for signature, the buttons don't seem to work. So let's see what its response is. It should fix that for us relatively quickly. And it'll talk to us and tell us what the problem was and how they're going to fix it. Now you'll also notice two options down here. We have visual edit and we have discuss. So the visual edit feature allows you, if you click on this, now you can go over specifics on what you want it to change. Maybe there's something really specific about this button and you want to be very clear on what you're looking for it to change. So you could click on this with the visual edit and it will know what you're talking about. Just because sometimes you'll say, can you change this button? And it might not know which button you're talking about. So that helps kind of clear the air for base 44 to work on the specific problem or feature that you are looking for. And the discuss feature here is if you're looking for advice or ideas, you can talk back and forth with it to get better ideas of things that you can do to make your product better. And so let's go back here, and we talked to it about how when we click on view, edit, or send for signature, that there were problems with it. And so it acknowledged that, there were problems. The buttons weren't wired up properly. And so they had to implement some functionality to make sure that it actually works. And this is where you have to catch it. And this is why I can't build it from scratch without your assistance. The AI still needs some direction and some help when finding things that are broken.